guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caviar Kez. Today we are doing the update on the hair that I'm wearing. This is a wig that I ordered from Aliexpress from Ali Crown Hair, and if you guys have already seen that video and you're wondering what the hair looks like installed, I don't want to ramble on too much today because I have things to do and places to go and people to see. So I paid $100 for the hair. That's Canadian, so if you convert that to American, it would be roughly $80 or $70. I don't know, but something along those lines. It is a lace front Brazilian wig, and it's from Ali Crown Hair. So on AliExpress, it comes in nice packaging, and they also gave me a free gift, which was really cool. It's my eyelashes. I did wear them. I don't know where they are. My cats probably ate them. But I definitely enjoyed that. So I've been wearing this hair for 3 weeks now. I had some issues with it, so I definitely want to talk to you guys about that real quick. I don't plan on making this video too long, so I'm trying to talk as fast as I can and get the points out there. So the issues that I had with this particular unit was due to my fault because I chose the blackest hair color, so that's a color 1, I believe, or 1B, not sure, but I chose the darkest color, and they did tell me that I would not be able to dye it or bleach it. So when I got the hair, the center of it did not look like this. The lace, you couldn't see the lace when you parted it. All you could see was hair. So I felt a little bummed out because I had to wear the hair like kind of like tossed over for a while until I just kind of figured, like, you know, what if I just start plucking the hair? So I did that because I couldn't bleach it. I tried to bleach the lace 3 times. It wouldn't even budge, like nothing. The hairs underneath did not change colors whatsoever. But that's my fault because I chose the color that was not, you wouldn't be able to bleach it after that. And like I said, they told me that when I was ordering it. So if you guys are looking to like bleach your lace, definitely don't recommend getting the pre-colored units because you won't be able to. But I know that you can bleach the lace on the other colors that are the natural colors that don't have the dark black dye on it. So if you wanted to bleach the lace, then definitely get that one. But I had that as an issue. And that's pretty much the only thing that I've had that really bothered me about this unit. It's really comfortable. It's, I believe, 12 inches long, and I just have it in a rough curl. But when I don't style it, it's a nice like wavy texture, so that's pretty cool too. It's really full. It feels like REMY hair. It doesn't feel like, you know, like super soft virgin hair. It looks very realistic on me. The hair texture blends well with my skin color. This is what my natural hair would be like if I straightened it. So I like that, and it's really comfortable. I plucked the center part, and you can see, hopefully it can focus in on that. I'm not looking in the viewfinder because every time I have that little piece up, I always stare at myself, and it looks funny when I'm trying to edit the video. I notice that I'm looking up at that screen instead of at the lens. So I'm trying my best, you know, just work with me. Anything else that I can think of that's a con? Not really, because it's full, it's comfortable to wear. I'm sure it'll fit most head sizes, and for the price you can't go wrong. Once I plucked it, the lace showed, and I had no issues with that. Oh, but now that I'm thinking about all the problems that I did encounter, the only thing is the lace here in the center likes to pop up. I've tried Got To Be Glued, I've tried Ghost Bond glue, and it still pops up. Right now I have it secured with Got To Be Glue, and it is an ear-to-ear frontal wig, so it's all the way down here. I didn't like really secure it that much because I like to be able to take this thing off whenever I want and switch out my wigs because I don't like wearing the same wig all the time. So I've put Got To Be Glue on the sides, and I just secured the part that kept popping up right here with some Ghost Bond glue. If you guys are wondering what my thoughts are about Ghost Bond glue, let me know below, and I'll film an actual review video on it because I think a lot of people are hyping it up, and personally, like, I don't think it's that good, and it's a lot of work to get off. So if you guys are wondering what that's like, let me know, comment below, and I can film a video and my review on that product as well. But at the end of the day, I think I would recommend this wig, because for the price, you can't beat it. I can make my own wigs. I do make my own wigs, but I like being able to just purchase one and pop it on my head. Comes with combs and all that, so you don't have to secure it if you don't want to. The only thing is that little part here will pop up. But yeah, it looks really cute when it's worn up in like a high bun here, or just down. Lately I've been just rocking it like this with like a beach wave loose curl kind of thing. So that's my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and until next time, peace.